Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching us today. A quick video on Audi A4 B6 B7, guys. I think if you have a broken interior handle right here, we'll show you guys how to remove and replace it. Okay, this one here, if it's broken, if it needs to be replaced, we'll demonstrate how to do that. But first we need to remove the door panel, so stay with us and let's go ahead and do that now. So we need to get a trim removal too, okay, and we need to remove that trim, okay, right here on the door panel. You have to be careful not to break it. Let me show you where all the clips are. Okay, you can see right there. So we have the on our website mechaniclifestyle.com, guys. You'll be able to find the links for all the tools that we use. Next we'll have a few screws here with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, so we have a few screws to remove with a Phillips screwdriver. Check out, guys, a playlist. We have a lot of videos for that thing since we're doing engine replacement. Okay, and the one over there as well. So now there is one cap right here. Okay, on the passenger side you don't have this one. That's the only difference. So you need to, okay, pry it up, and you should have, okay, screws there as well. Okay, you can see they're kind of hard to see a little bit. Okay, try my best here to show you guys. So we have two screws there with a Phillips screwdriver again. Okay, one is out, then the next one is, and those are really hard to see, to be honest with you. You might even think that you're missing those, but always check so you don't damage your door panel in the removal. Now on the very bottom of the door panel we have another one. That's an exterior one that you can actually see yourself without removing any trim pieces. Okay, this one is pretty long screw actually. Next we need to get the prying tool, trim removal tool, and we'll start removing the door panel. Okay, then we'll need to go straight up. Okay, we'll need to lift it up because it's laying on the window rail. Okay, right there. And we'll need to disconnect all the wires here and the unlock cable as well here. So we need to just go ahead and pull it out, twist it and remove it. Next, guys, we have all the cables that go towards right here. You can see towards the computer actually right here. So in order to remove it now, right here you have a thing that you need to press on the bottom. Okay, let me show you now, right there. Yep, right there. No, a little bit this way, and then you need to slide that piece, okay, like that, until the cables come loose. All you got left is one wire here that goes from the speaker to the tweeter. Okay, so you need to squish on both sides and just pull it out. Alright, let me show you quick how exactly it works, guys. Okay, and now let me demonstrate you where the clips for the door panels are. Okay, you can see we have quite a few broken clips actually. You can see, and there is only one holding still on the bottom. But here, this one is broken, this one is good, broken, broken, broken. So you always have to get replacement ones when you replace it. This one wasn't even installed right the last time that it was removed. Only one clip was holding it. Okay, so we'll need to disconnect the wires first. Okay, this one you just pull it, and this one here you need to press in and pull. With a T20 we have one screw that we need to remove, and now right here we have two clips on the front. Okay, you need to push those in. Okay, and get the front end of the door handle, okay, loose. Okay, and it comes out in this angle. So this is it, guys. Right here you can see, not very complicated at all. That's how you guys remove it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.